Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to tell you every engineer should be knowledge at site, at construction site. Test of building materials. Every type of test of building materials. And second, investigation of soil. And third is the use of surveying instruments. And fourth, standard code used in construction. Fifth is bar bending schedule. 6. Drawing and design. 7. Estimation and bills. 8. Quality and control. 9. On-field management. And 10. Coordination with labor. All 10 is important for all civil engineer at site. You can't do the work without this knowledge. So guys, you should know about the things. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel, because when I make the video you get the notification. So you should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Do it, and thank you so much. I will make next video. Thank you so much everyone.